Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a gold US dollar forecast for the upcoming week starting on Monday 22nd July 2024, and at the moment right here I am on the monthly time frame of gold. So if we see, this gold is trending up all the way from the year 2006, and this present moment is 2024, so around 18 years worth of ABCD has been completed. I did it several times in the past. Let's find out a Fibonacci. Yes, from right here it is. So exactly this ABCD pattern is completed around 2397 2400, and 18 years my friends it took. So definitely as per this trend line the market is bullish. There are different bullish trends, like this is one trend as well. And one special thing about the trend line is, remember, it will be at a breakout point of the previous structure. Now what is that previous structure? Let me tell you, is that when this price was going up and it dropped, actually the actual drop was right here, and market started a sort of a consolidation right here. So if we see, this trend that you see is started right here in 2019. So kind of we can say that mini bullish trend over a strong bullish trend. So as everyone is buying, because obviously this is gold and this is natural thing, everyone will be buying it. But the thing is, how about this bullish trend? And two things are equal right here together. On one hand side we have a bullish mini trend, remember, mini. Now remember, in 2011 what happened is, similarly the market was exactly right here at a highest point, just like it is right now. It was in 2011 as well. This is very interesting, just have a look at it. And all the way from 2011 till 2015, around the end of 2015, for 5 years that sell trend continued. And this rest of the story is right in front of you, since it has to create that ABCD pattern. It did, no doubt. How much time did it took? From 1st of the January 2016, this pullback was officially over. Since then market never went back down. What was the price point? 1039.31. I would like to highlight this area like this. Now what I said, a bullish trend will only start at a previous breakout. So don't you see, here we have a previous breakout of structure. Same previous breakout of structure became the support, and it will be the support for the future as well. Now I'm not saying gold is dropping this much by the next 5-6 years. No, I don't mean to say that. But remember, my friends, since these bulls are now in control of the market and there is a bigger ABCD pattern completion of the strong trend line, so hence this whole thing make it very much interesting for me to look at it from both of the angle, to the bullish side of the market and to the bearish side of the market, and then to find out a conclusion that for me as a trader, as a retail trader, which type of opportunity is good for me, right? So the monthly we are done. Let's complete this as well, and let's find its Fibonacci and paste it right above on 61.8% retracement. And yes, the 3 months it rejected from 23.31, but one thing, and that is the present month, which is the candle is not yet closed, my friends. Okay, this candle is not closed. This is monthly, it is yet open. So yes, maybe it can give us a tail to the bottom side of the market. Now the plan, first of all, the plan is, since I'm a long-term trader, but I'm not that much long-term trader, so what I will do is I will try to first focus on this mini trend, because after all this is not also an ordinary one. From 2019, end of 2019 till today, a 5 years worth of what? Bullish ABCD pattern. 5 years, my friends, this is not a joke. Just have a look at it. 5 years of a trend line, sorry, 5 years of a trend and an ABCD pattern, the bullish one, completed. Started in 2019, let's say 2020, because it was the end of the year, and it got completed in 2024. So one the bigger one, one the smaller one. What's next? If we switch to the weekly time frame, there is a lot of interesting stuff going on right here. For the past 4 months this is tucked, and if we see this present candle, let me zoom in, I haven't seen such a candle, such a good pin bar on gold in a very long time. This was one, right? This, you will remember, I said no, this is not a pin bar. This was just the continuation. You will remember right here what I said, 1927, just take a buy. Why I said it? Because this was not a correct pin bar. That was just some seller sitting right here near the previous zone. So this much beautiful pin bar I haven't seen. But the tricky thing is, and honestly I will be telling you everything, since this week closed bearish, fine, pin bar, the decision point is still 2480.59. like the next month, if it opens the next week, if it opens a candle in around 1 hour, it will be opened, the market will be open. So next weekly candle we start to see, so there is a probability that market can jump once again for around 818 pips, right? It can jump there. Why? Because of the price action. The next candle will open and will test the high of the previous candle and will roll over. So this is one possibility. The other one is just on the basis of it, in if someone wants to take this sell trade for a long term, well, with a how much stop loss, let's see. Well, with a stop loss of 1100 pips. Remember, I'm discussing this for long term. Stay with me. For short term, I will be discussing as well. Because for a 1100 pips of stop loss, if it can give potentially more than 3259 pips, well, that's fine. I'll take it if I want to stay that much long term into the market. I'm not telling anyone to buy or to sell, I'm just giving you my own opinion. So moving on further through the daily time frame, and right here something interesting is going on. First of all, in my previous two videos I mentioned this area for a strong buy. You will remember, market was right here, and what I discussed is that there is a possibility the market can continue back from right here towards 2480.59, and it did. And as I said as well, that this level can be a fantastic zone for a sell, because there was this tiny ABCD. I don't want to go into the details of that as well, and a bit of false breakout as well that I'm going to discuss. Now there is something that you can learn, right? And what is that learning stuff? You know, I know a lot of things about these charts, right? But I cannot break my own discipline. If I break it, everything will be gone. I will be on the road if I break the discipline. So sometimes I knew, and even in the video I said this is fantastic for buy, but I personally didn't took it, and I missed this 1865. Why? Because I was looking for a 2255.01 somewhere. I missed it. Now I want to draw your attention to this area. See this block, with this much of difference I missed this market, and this much, see exactly this much. So to me this is a fantastic ABCD pattern from right here till here, and it will be completing near 2543. But the thing is, this much of, like, here people got confused why the market is going up from right here, and they were keep selling on the lower time frames, and I clearly mentioned that in the previous video that don't sell it right here. The market is a sell, but try to take it from a good level. So this was a buy zone, and those who took it make good profits, because I clearly mentioned in that video. So now, since about this 2480, I will like to zoom the chart, and first of all I would like to see this tiny impulsive wave, this one. After all, this is like the Fibonacci zone as well. Let's delete this as well. So this Fibonacci zone, let me delete this as well. Most traders are trying to exit. Exit from what? From these sell trades with around 1133 pips. And on the H4, if I see, there are still some bulls who are trying to push the market up. So if they are trying to push the market up, where they can potentially take it is here. But I cannot encourage buying at this particular stage. Whenever the price is near its support, never ever take a sell, and whenever the market is near the resistance, don't take a buy. Brotherly advice I am giving you, my friends. See, so 2450.15 is another level that we have got for the upcoming week, and the situation may look something like this. Now the magical thing is that each and every number moves in these Elliott wave concepts. So as per my formula, it gave me this particular cell. Now remember, my friends, 2450 is a sell in the upcoming week. I don't want to tell anyone to sell right here. This is like, I'm just explaining the strategy. You just follow it on the demo. But I will be taking it properly. So the strategy gave me a very nice and fantastic sell. And the very ideal thing is it can complete near 2363.97. This is already my support zone. So what else I want from the market and from this strategy? Fantastic one. And for the buy, those traders who are trying to buy the market at this particular price point, one is this future M completion, and those who are trying to buy from right here, well, this is actually 15-minute area. Remember, my friends, okay, this doesn't belong to H4. Most of the traders, when they message me, is, hey, can we buy this support? Well, if you are sending me H4 chart, it tells no good idea. Why? Because there is just one tiny candle. For a support to be validated, it has to give proper confirmation. Let's do it for you. Still I have 5-6 minutes, so let's have a look at the H1. So those who are looking for a buy, they are taking 122 pips of stop loss, and their target is 503 pips. This is the simplicity of it, my friends. The simplicity. If I go even further more down frame, it can also give us a stop loss area of around, even a tiny one, around 74 pips minimum. But as far as in the upcoming week it is trading above 2397.56, it will be showing a bullish. So my friends, everything is very simple right here. And now let me also tell you one more thing. What if it breaks above it? This will be like a 500 of risk and around 1000 pips of profit. And this whole impulsive wave in the upcoming week, bullish towards 2450, can be traded in the upcoming week. This is something very important I want to tell you. On the lower time frames, as the market go up and when it start to correct itself on the 61.8% retracement, a trader can take a buy trade, stop loss below the low. If stop loss hits, keep in mind don't try to buy again, don't try to sell right here as well, because if it breaks it will be coming straight to 2363.97. but why don't take a sell trade? Because at that time nobody knows if these are real traders, if they are fake traders, just like the ones that I have shown you. Who are they? So don't, when it closes below this, don't try to chase the market, because sellers are also holding sell positions from way up there, right? And this is not anyways a sell. So slight pullback and a drop, that is more ideal. Otherwise, if it continue down, I cannot stop it, you cannot stop it, but these levels are obviously right here. These are key support levels as well: 2363.97, 2331.64, and 2291.22. And if it breaks above it, and if it closes above this, complete the story is finished. We do nothing, right? So let's see in the upcoming week what happens. If it start to continue down first, then no sell at this present zone, but this will be 2363.97, can also be like act as a buy. So then that depends on the trader's psychology, that how much money the trader wants from the market. And this is my favorite top down approach, followed by the ABCD pattern, followed by the 61.8% retracement of Fibonacci. So thank you so much everyone. If you are with me till now so far, thank you so much for watching this episode of Gold US Dollar. And I'm sure enough you guys make lots and lots of profits, and you keep me in your prayers as well. And I wish you guys take good and better and excellent trading decisions in the upcoming week. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, take a lot of care of yourself. Goodbye.